Good morning, my friends. Second day, my second daily vlog. I was thinking, God damn it, this is gonna be hard to do every morning a vlog, especially when there's nothing happening in your life. So I think about, what do you think, guys? Should I make it in the morning, or should I make it in the evening, or should I make it for the day which passed yesterday, or the day in front, or what I'm gonna do today? I really don't have an idea. I'm just gonna comment what happened yesterday. Happened nothing. Happened nothing. Woke up, made a vlog, did some things on PC. As I said, I bought a stream desk, a nice little pad where you got those buttons and you can pre-assign things, you know, which you use on Twitch. And I was dealing with that shit, and then I had my dad took a car to the guy who fixes seats and that shit, you know, because in his car Honda seat kind of got squashed. Now he's kind of heavy and the car is low, so he took it to that guy and that guy repaired it. And because that guy put the battery out, when he put the battery in, the radio needed a code. And my dad told me, "Sine moj dragi," you know, my son, the fucking radio doesn't work, you know. I'm like, what does it say? He's like, there's a put the code. I'm like, okay, you got the code in the book, you know. He's like, go fix it, you know. And I had to fix that. I hardly found the code. There was a card where there was a code, but before that I checked the book, and before I found where is that code, then I just lost 20 minutes. It was cold as fuck. Yesterday was snow. It's like 0 degrees now, and it's winter, fucking winter. I hate winter. My S2000 is in garage under the blanket waiting for summer. So then later I went to stream. Yesterday was stream nice. Oof. I don't have so many numbers, guys. I got always like 20, 30, 40 viewers, you know, but I got my family, man. I got the family. Yesterday the support was amazing again. I got new guy, Milky from Italia. I asked him how to say welcome to my stream, where you from, and I forgot it. I forgot it, man. I saved it on the PC, but I forgot it. I thought I would remember, but fuck it, I didn't. So yesterday I was streaming maybe 5 hours, and then later I was just watching some TV on PC. You know, I always want to do some things, and I never do them. You know. I'm thinking about to make a giveaway. I'm gonna make a giveaway on the Christmas, guys. You know, so make sure to be on Twitch. You got description down in the. You got a link in the description. Make sure to be sub, and make sure to have stars. If you know what I'm talking about, you're gonna get all the info on Twitch. So I'm thinking, well, what kind of headphones would I buy? You know, I thought like 30-50 euros. I saw some company called Kilm. Anybody knows about headphones? Kilm. There's some nice headphones for $30. There one even better for 50. But I want to see how this giveaway will go, so I think I'm gonna buy it first, like for $30. No, $30 headphones, better than nothing. So that's what I was thinking. And you guys, if you wanna participate, just go on Twitch, you know. Otherwise, if you got any questions, guys, I was thinking about, you can question me in comments, you know. You can ask me whatever, you know. We can just ask me something so I can reply on. Feel free. And otherwise, today is Saturday. I'm still in the bed. My eyes are burning. Every time when I wake up in the morning, if I go straightly to PC or phone, my eyes are in the pain, you know. I went to sleep, I think, 2 in the morning. So I woke up at 7, so that's like 5 hours of sleep. Not enough. Usually I need more. So I'm gonna need some time to wake up. I'll do some exercise, then I'll go a little bit to forest. I don't know if I'm gonna be ready for it. But otherwise, today is Saturday. I'll go to the downtown. Yesterday lights has turned. You know, we got those lights in the city because it's December, Christmas time, that shit, you know. And every year, you know, in Ljubljana, Slovenia, the lights turn on. And I'll go check them out today. So, expect tomorrow again, vlog in the morning, what happened. But, you know, my life is boring, you know, especially in winter, you know, summer is better. So, if you got any questions, guys, feel free to ask me in the comment, and I will be very glad to answer them. So, see you tomorrow.